Did you know that a sneeze can travel at a speed of over 100 miles per hour? When you sneeze, air and thousands of tiny droplets are expelled from your nose and mouth. This is a natural reflex to clear your nasal passage from irritants like dust, pollen, and viruses. A sneeze's high-speed journey can send these droplets up to several feet away, making it a highly efficient way of spreading germs, which is why covering your mouth and nose is crucial for public health. Surprisingly, sneezing can also occur due to sudden exposure to bright light, a phenomenon known as photic sneeze reflex.